Assalamu alaikum. Today's topic is translation sentences, proverbs, pair of words from alphabet T to U. Today we will do essay number 10, class 10, subject English. First topic is translate into English. There are 5 sentences which you have to translate into English. First one is Nalka band karo. Turn off the tap. Number 2, कल रात से बूंदाबांदी हो रही है. It has been drizzling since last night. बूंदाबांदी means drizzling, हल्की हल्की बारिश होना. शोले को हवा मत दो. This is a proverb. Do not add insult to injury. मेरा तौलिया नचोड़ दो. Wring out my towel. Wring out means नचोड़ देना. शहर में अफवाह गरम है. There is a strong rumor in the city. अफवाह means rumor. शोले को हवा मत दो. Do not add insult to injury. It means do not make an issue a big matter. Proverbs. Proverb number 1. 4 दिन की चांदनी फिर अंधेरी रात. A 9 days wonder. 4 दिन की चांदनी फिर अंधेरी रात means there are limited days of happiness and then it is followed by darkness. Number 2. तेल देखो तेल की धार देखो. See which way the wind blows. Wind हवा, blows चलना. It means that you have to be very careful, or you will be very flexible according to the situation. You have to see the situation and then you have to make decisions. Number 3, लकीर का फ़कीर. To go about the same old beaten path. Beaten path, घिसा पिटा रास्ता. So this proverb is used when someone will never change their behavior. They just follow the old beaten path. 100 चूहे खाकर बिल्ली हज को चली. Sinful man going to the bath in the Ganga. Going to bath in the Ganga. Ganga is the holy river in India, and according to Hindu belief, they believe that bathing in Ganga you may wash out all your sins. So in bathing Ganga you may wash out all your sins which you have done in your whole life. So it is the belief of Hindus, and Ganga is the holy river for Hindus. So it is holy river, मुक़द्दस पानी है उनके लिए. Now coming to what is meaning of 100 चूहे खाकर बिल्ली हज को चली. So it means that after having committed all possible sins, one has become a holier. वो मुक़द्दस बन जाए. एक अच्छा काम करके वो मुक़द्दस बन जाए, चाहे उसने ज़िंदगी भर जितने ही बुरे काम क्यों ना किए हो. बगल में छुरी, मुंह में राम राम. A wolf in lamb's clothing. A wolf एक भेड़िया, in lamb's clothing एक in sheep's clothing भेड़ की शक्ल में. एक भेड़िया भेड़ की शक्ल में. It means praise on the face and stab from behind. सामने बगल में छुरी, मुंह में राम राम. सामने तारीफ़ करना और पीछे छुरा घोंपना. So एक भेड़िया किसकी शक्ल में, किसके भेष में? एक भेड़ के भेष में. Now coming to pairs of words from T to U. First one is tale. Tale mean कहानी. I like fairy tales. मुझे परियों की कहानियाँ पसंद हैं. Tail, दुम. Horse has a beautiful tail. Number 2, throne. Throne means takht o taj. The king's throne was taken by his son. Pair of it is thrown, girana. The servants were thrown away from their jobs. Team, jodi. In sport, each player must have a team spirit in him. खेल में तमाम खिलाड़ियों के बीच में एक खेलने का जोड़ीदार जज्बा होना चाहिए. टीम मीन बहुतात, भरा होना. The river is teemed with fish. दरिया में मछलियाँ भरी पड़ी हैं या मछलियों की बहुतात है. Number 4, taught, सिखाना. I taught them English. Thought, सोचना. Due to his good behavior, everyone thought him the best. Number 5, urban. Urban means शहरी. Urban people have more facilities than rural people. Rural means देहाती लोग. शहरी लोगों के पास देहाती लोगों से ज़्यादा सहूलियात हैं. Urban means खुश अखलाक, खुश खल्क. Rural people are more urban than urban people. देहाती लोग शहरी लोगों से ज़्यादा अर्बन खुश अखलाक होते हैं. Now coming to essay. Before coming to essay, you have to write in your English copy 5 translation sentences, proverbs and pair of words. And for essay, you will get notes. Essay number 10, a morning walk. What is a morning walk? सुबह की सैर. Morning walk. To get up early in the morning and go for a walk is a good habit. So morning walk is a good habit. It is good for health. This habit keeps one fit and fresh the whole day. ये आदत इंसान को पूरे दिन के लिए सेहतमंद और तरोताज़ा रखती है. फ्रेश, ताज़ा रखना. Morning time is very pleasant, खुशगवार. There is calm and quiet everywhere. Calm, sukoon, quiet, खामोशी everywhere. I always get up early in the morning and go for a walk with my friend Inamullah. We go to the river bank, which is at distance of 1 kilometer from my house. River bank, दरिया के किनारे. On the way, we see different men, women, and children. Some are going towards the bank, while others are coming from there. Some are going towards the bank. Bank means the river bank, दरिया का किनारा, while others are coming from there. Some are going towards the bank and some are coming back. A walk at this hour is very useful. At morning time, walk is very useful. It refreshes the body and mind. It refreshes the body and mind. ये दिमाग और जिस्म को तरोताज़ा करता है. After reaching the bank in 15 minutes, we breathe in the fresh air for a short time. So they reach the bank of the river. Bank means दरिया का किनारा. They reach the bank of the river in 15 minutes from their house, and there they breathe सांस लेना in fresh air for a short time. There is a beautiful garden near the bank where flowers of different kinds grow. So along with the bank there was a beautiful garden. Bank means दरिया का किनारा. And there were different flowers growing. We sit there and enjoy the sweet smell of flowers. We also see many birds singing sweet songs in the trees of the garden. A cool breeze is blowing gently. Cool, ठंडी. Breeze, हवा, is blowing, चल रही थी. Gently, आहिस्तगी से. Flowers bloom and the air is laden with their sweet smell. फूल खिल रहे थे और हवा इनकी स्वीट स्मेल, मीठी खुशबू से लेडन भरी हुई थी या लेडन महक रही थी। लेडन मीन्स भरे हुए होना। हवा फूलों की मीठी स्मेल से भरी हुई थी। After this, we walk up and down the river bank. We see many people who take exercises. I also take a light exercise. So there were many people who were taking exercises. They go there for exercise and for walk. Meanwhile, the sun rises in the east. Meanwhile, इसी दौरान, it is pleasant to see the first rays of the sun touching the earth. So, really, it is really fascinating to see the first rays of the sun. The dewdrops shine brightly. Dewdrops, shabnam. Os. Dewdrops shine brightly. There are dewdrops on the flowers and leaves. They were shining bright when the rays fell on it, when the sun rays fell on it. They look like beautiful pearls. So, in the reflection of the sun, the dewdrops were just looking beautiful like pearls. The morning walk gives us liveliness, freshness. Our brain becomes fresh. After a short time, we come back home quite refreshed. So after having morning walk, they go back to their home very refreshed. Now coming to activity, your activity is that you have to write translation, sentences, you have to write proverbs and pair of words in your copy, and you have to learn essay, and for essay you will get notes, and you have to learn essay. Thank you.